Are you ready, roomie? I don't remember it looking like this. There was definitely a lot less spiders in the pictures. It's gross. We need to fix this. That's better. Let's get to work. I love a good makeover. This wallpaper has to go. Wow, that's really stuck on. Whoa! Are you okay? Who turned the lights out? What's going on? This is so not funny. That's it. Now it's personal. This bed has seen better days. Push! Woohoo! Go! Go! How much do you weigh? You know, this is fun. Nailed it! Let's go, bestie! Ta-da! Check out these moves! Ugh, who thought this was a good idea? Oh, I've read this one. We're almost finished! We did it! Woo! We missed some. That's okay. We'll just rip it down. Huh? Who draws the poop emoji? Whoa! What's that? Is it snowing?
I love my job!
Hey, stop it! The roof is gonna run! That was close. That could have been nasty. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Lay a piece of foam tiling on a flat surface. Next, you'll need a rectangular piece of card. Trace around the rectangle onto the tile. Repeat this all over the tile. You want to create a brick-like pattern. Now we need to score the foam. Make shallow grooves in the foam, removing the ink. All you have to do is follow the lines. Just like this. Then fill in the gaps with white paint, covering up any remaining ink. Now apply paint to the tile. Place a small amount on each brick. Start to paint the tile. The foam gives a nice textured effect. Let's get this on the way! Perfect! No more poop emoji! It looks better already! Good job! Is that the door? Hello?
Hi! I'm selling this amazing drill!
Nope!
Ahem. I hadn't finished. I'm also cooking up a storm with this frying pan!
No! What? Okay, it's a deal. I mean, oh no.
How about the mystery prize? Only $2!
Oh, please, can we? Why not?
Just another happy customer. Now hand over the money. Bye-bye.
I wonder what it is. Let's open it. Wow! It's a mirror! This is just what we need! I'll just get rid of this paper. This might not have been a good idea. The frame is damaged. We can't hang this on the wall. Hey! Come back! Aha! This is just what I want. Sorry, Teddy, but I need your stuffing. Looking to upgrade an old mirror? Try this out. Stick a strip of LED lights along the frame. Bend the lights around the corners. We want it to be one continuous strip. Once you've done that, start to apply glue over the LED strip. Make sure you don't miss any spots. A zigzag pattern is ideal for this. Almost done. Now stick the teddy bear stuffing onto the glue. Give it a press to make sure it's secure. Repeat this all the way around the frame. Make sure that none of the LED strip is showing. Once you've finished, stick artificial butterflies to the stuffing. This is looking great! This is starting to look more like a home, and I love the lighting effect. Wow! It's amazing! It's like a little part of nature. I look good. Oh, this work is making me sleepy. This is so comfortable. I'm so glad you came over.
I wouldn't miss it.
What a great sleep! Whoa! Naomi, wake up! What is it? Look! have you been kissing your pillow again? Well, there was a cute guy in my dream. It's okay. I have an idea. It's my darling daughter. Yes? Hi, Mom. We've got some lipstick stains on our pillows. I'm on my way! This is an emergency! My poor little baby. Mommy's coming! Let's go! Look out! Coming through! Are you okay, honey? Oh, hi, Mom! We've got a problem. See? Don't worry, girls. I've got this. Place tape around the edge of the pillow. Next, start to stick smaller pieces of tape at an angle. Make a row of small triangles. Repeat this all the way down the pillow, filling in any gaps with tape. Once you've done that, remove one row of tape, just like this. Be careful not to peel off any other tape. Working down the pillow, remove every second row of tape. Then, grab a brush and start painting. Dab the brush over the top row of triangles. The tape acts as a border, stopping any messy accidents. Paint each row a different color. Once the paint is dry, peel off the remaining tape. This part is nice and relaxing. Again, be careful. We don't want to ruin any of our hard work. Then just remove the tape from around the edges. That's better than any lipstick stains. What do you think, girls? Looks good, huh? Whoa! It's awesome! Thanks, Mom! Oh, I know! I need a photograph! Smile! Aw, it's so cute! I'm just glad I could help. Bye, Mom! Where can we put this? No. Nope. Ha! Look! I'm art! We can't use this. I don't know what to do. Who's that? What is it? A note? Thanks, I guess. Open it. I think it's a code. Was that safe always there? There might be treasure in there. It's a pretty obvious code. I wonder what's inside. Wooden skewers? Place a wooden skewer on a flat surface and apply a small dab of glue to the end. Continue doing this until you have a large frame. Place the skewer down the middle, splitting the square in half. Glue another skewer horizontally to the frame. Continue doing this, filling the frame. Do the same vertically, then paint it. Personalize the frame by adding some decorations. It makes a great way to display photographs. There we go! Our first photo frame! It's perfect! We can put all our photographs on it. It's just what we needed. And it looks great. There's nothing better than hanging out with my bestie. Aw, we look so cute! Having fun and creating memories. Yeah! Finally! It looks like a home! It looks good, right? It was so disgusting! What a difference! And it's so bright and colorful now. It was hard work, but it was totally worth it. Ew, is this supposed to be our dorm room for this year? Hey, wait a second. What's this? Look what's over here. Here, hold my guitar for me while I grab this. I do love a heavy sledgehammer. Time to get smashing! I'm gonna make this the best dorm room ever. You'll see. No! What are you doing? You're smashing a hole in the wall! I know! Isn't it great? Check out all this extra room we could have! Wow! That's amazing! Alright, I wanna try the sledgehammer too! Yeah! Swing it super hard! Excellent! Okay, that's big enough. I'm gonna crawl through. Hurry up, because I'm coming through next. This space is way better than that other space, right? Wow. I'm so excited that we can make this space our own! Hello? Yes, I need a designer for a new space I have. Okay, don't worry. He said he'll be here shortly. Oh, there he is. Alright, we need the space to be absolutely perfect.
Yes, I see. This space is indeed a blank canvas to work on. Okay, here's my design. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, yes! It's absolutely perfect! No way! That's not at all what we need.
Oh, I see. Well, I've got some other designs as well for you to look at.
No, I hate blue. It's too sad.
Alright, how about something more citrus?
I mean, I guess that's okay? Yeah, we'll go with that. Don't worry. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Perfect. The total bill for the project will be this much.
We definitely can't afford that. Or maybe that's not in our budget.
No! Well, art isn't cheap, my dears. So long.
Whatever. We can handle this ourselves. Come on!
See? Now this is more within our budget.
I mean, I guess so. There is a lot of stuff here.
Trust me. You just have to have a keen eye for the right thing. Like maybe that bust. Or that lantern.
Oh, right there! That's what we need. Hand over some of the money. Jeez, alright, fine. Here you go, miss. Our money.
Is this a joke? This isn't nearly enough to pay for what you want.
We need more money.
Ugh, okay, fine. Here's the rest of our cash. That should be enough.
Here you go. Thank you so much for everything. Hey, what the? Did we just buy the whole shelving unit?
Huh. Seems like. Oh, and don't forget your other purchase.
Oh, right. Thanks again and have a great rest of the day. Hey, look! I've got the little mattress we purchased.
Great. Now go ahead and unroll it.
Oh, right. Okay. Here it goes. It's nice. Let me put a blanket on it. I've got this yellow one right here. There we go. Nice and cozy. But I'm not done. I'm gonna need this glue gun for the next step. I'm gonna add a line of glue under the mattress. Just a bit like this around the corner. Now it's ready for the blanket. This will hold it in place. What do you think? Doesn't it look nice and comfy?
Wow, good job. I'm actually impressed. But now it's my turn. You might want to move, because I have more shelves to arrange. Ready? Because here's the next one. And the last one. Whoa! Lost my balance there for a second. Oh right, a top. Or base, depending.
Ooh, alright. Time for me to add some of my things. Just gonna crawl right in.
I've got all my pillows for up here too.
Can't forget my flamingo light. It makes things so bright. And then some of my favorite books in this nook over here. Can't forget my little plants. They just make me happy.
Gotta make sure these pillows are all nice and fluffy. Hey, I think we're done with the whole thing.
What a cozy and comfy little private space we made. It's great!
Alright, let me put away my vintage record collection. Huh. No room in this cubby. Or in this one. Ugh, she's filled all these cubbies already. She's hogging all of the storage space and that's not fair. Well, what am I gonna do now? There's more room, of course, but no more shelves. Well, let me check out what's back in the old room. Maybe there's something around here that I can use. Huh. Is that a pile of old VHS tapes? Hey, I think I've got an idea. Yep, I'm definitely gonna give this a try. Come with me, tapes! You're obsolete, but I know a way to make you useful once more. Whoa, better set these down. Ooh, okay. There's some glue right there. This is just what I need. I'll just put some glue right on the end of this tape. Now to put it where I want it to go. On another tape. Now to build a structure out of the tapes and the glue. I can't believe that people used to use these to watch movies and stuff. Phew. And now I finally have a shelving unit I can use for my things, too. Mirror ball is a check. Now for my records. Perfect! I can also store my checkers and chessboard here, too. And my own lamp to illuminate the space. Yes! I'm so proud of what I've accomplished. Look at that. Now all my stuff have their own space. This room seems like it's missing a little something, though. Time to add some wall hangings and posters. There's one. And two. And how about a third one? A nice spooky sky with bats. Just the way I like it. This place is really starting to come together if I say so myself. I absolutely love it. Now I can use some sleep. Because I'm tired and deserve a rest.
Good morning! Whoa! Look what you did while I was sleeping! Wow, everything looks so good! And now it's time for tea! Hey, you awake? I made you some breakfast tea!
Ah! Oh, no! Oh, crud. Now there's tea on the new rug. What were you thinking? I'm sorry. sorry. I just thought I'd surprise you. Don't worry. I think I have something around here that can help. Ah, there we go. Look, I have tape. I'll just put strips of this tape all over the rug. I'll use different angles and lengths from all sides. There we go. This is the final piece, and I'll put it right here. And now it's time to bring in the spray paint. I'll use different colors, and I'll just fill in the spaces on the rug. Orange and green. And now it's time for some purple, too. It's got a bit of a Mardi Gras vibe going. There we go. The last shape has been filled in with the color. And now that it's dry, I can take off the tape. Look at that! It comes right up to reveal the pattern underneath. Wow! This rug turned out amazing! What do you think of my new rug? Go ahead, try it out. Alright. I don't mind if I do. You're so clever! I know. Sometimes I can be a little genius. Yes, you're very right. Oh, Lord. Hey! Jen! Just gotta get this cord right. Ugh, stop shouting my name. I'm busy. Figure your own stuff out. Oh, yeah? Well, we'll see how well she can play with distractions. Just a little closer and… Hey, knock it off! Get that out of here! Whoa! Look at it fly through the air! That gives me an idea! You ready, Slinky? Let's do this! Alright, I just gotta connect these hooks from the ceiling. And now I can hang my Slinky from the hook. Great! Now let me just add a couple more near this one. Wow! So colorful and springy! I love them! Oh, poor Jen. What? I'm not struggling with this poppet. Here, you can have it. Ah, okay. Hey, I've got another great idea. What if I just hang it on the wall like this? Yes! That works great! Now let me get the rest of my poppets. Just gotta fill the whole blank space with them. Just nestle it right into this empty spot between the others. I'm gonna bring them over on this wall, too. Because a corner doesn't have to be the end of wall decorations. One more down here so things are symmetrical, and I'm done! Yes! I totally love it! And now I can play with poppets whenever I want. Pop, 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 pop! Whoa! Look what you did to this corner over here. It's so fun. I kinda dig it. Good job. Oh, now I've got an idea. Here, let me take a photo of you. It's a great selfie wall. Hi! Look at me having fun by my poppet wall! Perfect! Here, check out these pictures I got. This one's extra good. No way! This is such a great photo! Definitely send that one to me. This space is finally starting to feel like home. What the heck is Jen bringing over here now? Look out! I'm rolling this right over here! There we go. This is just the place I wanted it. Ta-da! It's a seat I made. Wow, it's so cushy and cute. How'd you make it? I'll tell ya. I started with a bunch of egg cartons. And then I just began stacking them together. They fit perfectly together, you see, so they're easy to stack. When the stack was as high as I wanted, I then tipped it onto its side. The next part was a little tricky because I sort of had to accordion out the stack. But then they made a circle when the two ends met. Then it was just a matter of adding a foam top for the cushion. I had this yellow blanket, so it covered the whole thing. And then I just used a big purple elastic band to hold the blanket in place. And that was it. My seat cushion was complete. Not only that, but now our room is complete too! I can't believe how well we really turned the whole thing around. No kidding. You've got your cozy little bed nook below and your poppet corner. Those are two of my favorite parts. But don't forget, you've got your cool artsy corner on your side and your bed on top. Ah, we really worked hard and it totally paid off. High five! How would you decorate your dorm room? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one.